We are in page 89. Stop talking, please. Page 89, question 1. Question 1, we have a $20 haircut with 10% tip. We need to find the total cost to the nearest cent, right? So here we have a $20 as a haircut and 10% as what? Tip. First step, we find the tip money, right? Yeah. Tip money. Tips money is equal to 10% of $20. This is equal 10 over 100 multiply 20, which is equal to $2. So the total cost equal total cost equal 20 plus 2 equal $22. Question 2. What we have? Same. Talk. $24 with what? Tip. $24 and 15% tip. Yeah, tips money equal 15 over 100 multiply 24. This is equal 15 times 24 equal $3.6. So the total cost equal 24 plus 3.6, which is $27.6. Question 3. Talk, Yusuf. Talk. $85 and 5% markup. Yesterday we said the markup like the profit, right? Yeah, let's find the markups money first. Markups money equal 5 over 100 multiply 185 equal 5 times 185 equals $9.25. So the total cost, sorry, here we want what? The selling price, right? The selling price equal 185 plus 9.25 equal $. Done? I rounded to the nearest cent. Done? So these are the first 3 questions. Let's see question 4. We need to read it. Read it, Ammar. Stop talking. Again, Billah. Wait. Yes, Zaid. What? Don't ask him. Ask me. I'm the teacher. Right? Yalla, again. Again, this is the original cost. How much? $24. Continue. So she wants to tip the hairstylist. How much? 18%. Continue. Yeah, let's find the total cost with the tip. First, we will find the total, the tips money, right? This is tip. So here the tips money equal 18 over 100 multiply 24 equal 18 multiply 24 equals 4.32. $4.32. So the total cost equal 24 plus 4.32 equals $28.32. This is a question 4. Last question in your homework. Round what, yeah, mister? It is already rounded. 32, these are the cents. Again, Mr. Raise up your voice. Hello. So the original cost is 39.50. This is a question 5. The original cost $39.50, right? Continue. They gave the delivery person a 20% tip. 20% tip. Continue. Yeah, let's find the total cost. First, we find what, ya Abdullah? The tips money. Yeah, let's find the tips money. Equal 20 over 100 multiply 39.50. This is equal to, it will be $7.9. So the total cost equal 39.50 plus 7.9. This is equal 47.4. This is the total cost for the equipment, pizza, including the tip for the delivery person. Now we are done with the first 5 questions. Check your answers. Let's do the rest of them. Let's start with the question 6. And please write with the steps, guys. Read ya Ubay. Yalla. Question 6. The wholesale cost. Pass. Yeah. Question 6. The whole sale cost is how much? $98.3575. Continue. لحظة شوي. Look, wait. Yes. Markup percent. Continue. This is the wholesale cost, okay? You know the wholesale cost, what is it? Good. The original cost. Before it will be sold for the customer, okay? Continue. So, the markup percent, how much? 33.3 what? Percent. Continue. What they want? Find the selling price. So the trader brought or bought this cycle by how much? 98.75. He wants to make markup by 33.3%. We need to know how much he will sell us, right? Yeah, first let's find the markup money. Markups money. It is 33.3 over 100 multiply 78 point what? 75. 98, sorry, 0.75. Done. This is equal 32.88. We will round to the nearest cent. Okay, 88. The second number or the third number after the second number is a 3, so we don't add. To round to the nearest cent, we round the first or the second digit after the decimal. Don't forget that. So here it is $32.88. So the selling price will be what? We add them. Selling price equal 98.75 plus 32.88. It will be 98.75 plus 32.88 is 131.63 cents. يعني $131.63. This is a question 6. Copy it, please. Which example? Let me see. It's okay. Question 7. Until now, there is nothing unusual. We know it, right? We did it yesterday with the examples and the check. Still one idea how to find the percent. We'll take it after we finish question 7. Okay? Question 7. Tamam. Question 6 done. Question 6 done. Done. Right. Question 7. Read يا حسين يلا. A purse. Department. $12.5. So here the wholesale cost is $12.50. Continue. So the markup is 140%. Continue. Cent. So first step, we find what? The markups money. Right? Let's find the markups money. Markups money equal 140 over 100 multiply the original or the wholesale cost, which is 12.50. 12.50. $12.50 equals $17.5. Now let's find the selling price. The selling price is equal to the original wholesale cost, which is a 12.50 plus 17.5 equals $30. So the wholesale cost was 12.5. but this ownership or this store management wants to sell it with what? With $30, which is the double or more than the double of the price. So this is question 7. Done? Now let's go back to the example number 3. See example 3, page 85. Now in example 3, take a look to example 3 quickly. Yeah, ready? Surah Ahmed. خلاص, leave it. Go to example 3. Yeah, let's read example 3 together. Ben's family is shopping for a new car. Okay? Ben's family is shopping for a new car, ya Faisal. The selling price of a car is $24,199.5. So the selling price is what here? Given. But in our questions, it was wanted. We found it. Got it? But here it is what? Given. So the selling price given. Example 3. Page 85. Focus. The selling price given, how much? It is $24,199.5. This is the selling price for the car. Then Ben researches to find the wholesale cost. This is what? And Ben wants to know the wholesale cost. It was 22,000. The whole sale cost is $22,100. Got it? So what we have here, I have the two parts. I have the selling price and I have the wholesale cost. Got it? Nothing told about the markups, right? Let's see what the question wants. What is the percent of? The question wants us to find this. Got it? It was given. Here it is what? It is wanted. Do you understand? Now let's find it. Now you will see, you will figure out in the quiz. Now how I will find it? The first lesson, guys, we took something, we call it percent of change. Remember? Percent of change. We are doing something else now. Leave it, but leave it. We have something, we call it percent of change. Percent of change, how we find it? Here we have change. It was what? 22,000. Sold by, so we have change. We have a new value, we have original value, right? How we find the difference between them is what? ركز. I want a concept. What's the difference? What is it? ركز. This is the wholesale cost and this is the selling price. If you subtract them, what you will have? ماشي. What is it? The markup money. الربح. المكسب, صح? So if you subtract them, it will be $2,099.5. This $2,099.5 is what? The markup money, the profit. Got it? So I have the markup money. I need to find what? The percent of this markup money. So here what I will do, look at the board. Markup percent. It is like the percent of change. Remember we said New minus original over original multiply by 100. Remember, we will do the same idea here. What's the new? The selling price or the wholesale cost? The selling price is the new, right? So this is equal 24,199.5 minus the original, what is it? 22 and 100 over what always? The original, what is it? 22 and 100, and all of them multiply by what? This formula, we took it in the first lesson in this chapter, right? It was percent of increase or percent of decrease, right? Now let's find it. Let's find it. 24,199.5 minus 22,100 equals something divided by 2,200. This is equal, multiply by 100. It is equal to 9.5 what? Dollar? La. Percent. This is the markup percent. You understand it? If you have the selling price and the wholesale cost and you want the markup percent, you subtract this formula. We took it before. You subtract the selling price minus the wholesale cost divided by the wholesale cost, multiply by 100. What you have is what? The percent of the markup. Do you understand? Means if you have the wholesale cost and in markup 9.5%, what is the selling price will be? Will be this. Do you understand? This is the example number 3. We have a check after this example. Yep, exactly. هذا النيو هيك كنا نحكي احنا new minus original. Remember? Over original. مش هيك? We did this before. But here we have different names. The new, now it is what? The selling price. The original, the wholesale cost. That's all. Let's see the check. Check after this example. يلا let's read. يلا read يا عدنان. ميكا. علي صوتك حبيبي، علي صوتك. Thus, the whole sale cost is how much? $12.50. Continue. She sold this item by how much? So the selling price is how much? 20. So the selling price here is $20, right? Continue.
What is the percent of markup?
What? We want the percent of markup. Yeah. Markups percent equal what? The selling price minus the wholesale cost divided by the wholesale cost, all multiplied by what? By 100. A new minus original over original. What's the new? The new is the selling price. How much? Minus the wholesale cost, 12.50 divided by the original, which is, what is it? 12.50. It is percent of increase. Percent of increase. Let's find it. 20 minus 12.5 equal 7.5 divided by 12.5 equal 0.6, multiply 100, it will be exact 60%. Do you understand? So what's the difference between this idea and the previous idea? In the previous idea, they gave me the markup percent, they gave me the wholesale cost, and they wanted from us to find what the selling price. But here, I have the selling price, I have the wholesale cost, and I found what? The marks up percent. Copy it, please. Go quickly. يلا. Copy it, please, guys. Done? Now go to the exercises in the practice. We did questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's see question 8. Question 8. Done writing this one? Question 8. What? بيسألك أنت ولا إله؟ طيب. What? هذه 59.9 you can to the nearest percent no decimal. See the question at the end there, what? To the nearest percent means no decimal. So you need to round the 9. 60%. Yeah, let's see question 8. Question 8, what we have? Let's read together. Read يا عمار يلا علي صوتك. Kiri. So the wholesale cost is how much? $9.38. Continue. If she sells, yeah, let's find the percent of markup. Yeah, markups percent equal what minus what? The selling price minus the wholesale cost. How much the selling price? 15 minus the wholesale cost 9 point divided by the wholesale cost, which is what? All multiplied by. Got it? Now, if you subtract and divide, first what you will do in the calculator, guys, you subtract, then divide, then multiply by 100. Okay, the answer will be 59 point something. But the question said at the end, if you see the question, round to the nearest percent means round to the nearest percent. We don't want decimal. We don't want decimal. So it is 59.9. So rounded to the nearest decimal, it will be 60. So here, rounded to 60%. Do you understand? Question 9. Read. Tamam, this is what? The selling price, 98.50. Continue. The wholesale cost. What is? Round to the nearest. Also. So here, the torque of percent equal. What minus what? Selling price minus the wholesale cost. How much the selling price? 98.5 minus the wholesale cost 55 over the wholesale cost, which is 63.55, all multiplied by how much it will be. Let me check. 54 point something, right? 54.7. It will be what? Rounded to the nearest percent, 55%. Okay? Done? You understand this idea? Let's do the last question after you finish copy, please, quickly. Yes. أيوة 59 مثلا 59.6 مثلا. The question said this is percent. The question said to the nearest percent. Here I don't want decimal. I will round this number here. 6, we add 1 to the 59. It will be what? 60%. That's why I put 60%. Done? Wait. Finish copy, please. لا تضبط. The selling price is the new one. The 63, Mr. It is the wholesale cost. The wholesale cost is the original. What's the new? The new is the selling price. So new minus original over original, as we did in the percent of the increase, remember? Then multiply by 100 to make it percent. To make any number, to make the decimal percent, you multiply it by 100. Yes, Yazid. 50. It is what the original value? It is what? What is it, Mr.? متأكد؟ Let me check. 98.5 minus 63.55 equal divided by 63.55 multiply by 100. It is 54.9. What it will be? 55. How you get 56? I don't know. Done writing. خلاص. Question 10. Again بالله لحظة شوي. Focus guys. Focus. يلا let's finish. اهدى. Look at the table. In the table, we have two types. What are they, Alwan? What are the two types? Adventures and Thunder Ridge. The adventure, they gave me the wholesale cost for both. The adventure, $3,056. Will Thunder Ridge, $4,125. Done. So we have the wholesale cost for both types. Do you understand the table? Continue the question. For both the swings, the markup is what? تمام. Let's find the selling price. So what's the wholesale cost? For what? This school wants to buy what? The adventure. معناته Thunder Ridge, we don't want it. So we'll focus on the adventure. The wholesale cost how much? $3,056. We'll mark up 20 and 1/4. I can write it as a 20 point. It is the same. Yani you can use this form or this form. It is the same. 1/4 he is 0.25. Okay. Let's find what? The selling price. First, we find what? The markups money, right? Equal 20.25 over 100 multiply what? 3056. Or you can use 20 and 1/4. It is the same. So 20.25 multiply 3056 equal divided by 100 equal $618.84. This is the markup money, right? Now let's find what? Let's find what? Price equal the original cost 3056 plus the markup money 618.84. This is equals to 3056 plus 618.84. It will be 3674.84 dollars. Do you understand it, guys? Thank you. That's all for today.